Lacazette's flick. It's Aubameyang, the beneficiary.
Good day again, this is the Military Gooner. Thank you very much for liking, subscribing and sharing. Thank you also for tuning in. I want to give a big shout out to all the subscribers. Thank you very much for the support. Anyways, this is the Arsenal versus Portsmouth preview show. And I want to say thank you very much again for tuning in. Anyways, back to the FA Cup. And this is now a chance for the guys to redeem themselves and show that they have the winning mentality and the heart to fight. Now, we're not anticipating a easy game here, because at the end of the day, we dropped out of Europa League in an essence of which we came lackadaisical and just assumed that we will win the match. No, this is not the time for that. No, this game is a test of faith to show how well does these guys cope with pressure. And you're also going to show the weak boys from the strong men. Who's going to turn up, who's going to wipe their tears and get back to work. Because at the end of the day, football is a very harsh game and the work goes on. The game continuously play, and is not in that essence in which it feels pity for no one. That is the game of football. Anyways, now I'm sure Mikel Arteta understands the history of Arsenal and the FA Cup, because he also won the trophy with Arsenal. But it is not a game in which you're going to turn up and turn over Portsmouth and think that that's it. No, we have to put in the work. Now, my starting lineup would be a strong one. Even though the guys fought very hard, very hard in the European League, but this time we have to show some strength. Now, I think there might be a few changes in which Mikel Arteta may implement, such as the defense line and also the attacking lineup, because you may understand that fatigue is a big issue and you can't overplay the players. Now, starting in goal, Burnley is going to remain in goal. Right back, Ainsley Maitland-Niles. We haven't seen him for a while now, so we're hoping that he's training well and keep his match fitness there. But we're back with Maitland-Niles at right back. Centre back pairing, definitely I would love to see Pablo Mari. I would definitely love to see Pablo Mari, and I think Mustafi may remain, but Pablo Mari is a definite must. Left back, we may run short on that option. There's a young guy in the Youth Academy, under 23 players. His name is Bola. I'm not sure if at some point in time we may see him turn up, but for now, I may assume that it may be Saka again. Now, moving to the midfield pairing, this is a match in which we might see Lucas Torreira. Also, you might see Guendouzi back live, because I'm quite sure that between Dani Ceballos and Granit Xhaka, fatigue may play a massive issue there. So the midfield pairing pivot would be Guendouzi and Lucas Torreira. Now the front attacking three, to the right, you may see Reece Nelson. He has been out of the team for a while now, but I strongly believe that this is a match in which he may come back inside the team, in the team. Now, in the attacking midfield role, we may see Joe Willock, because Mikel Arteta played him there quite a few times, and I think that's the position in which he believed suited Joe Willock. And I think this is now another opportunity for you to see him, or for us all to see him playing in that position. Going to the left, now this is maybe where the problem may fall, because definitely I believe that Aubameyang may play another role in this, but I think he needs rest. But I think Mikel Arteta may play him again and put Aubameyang on the right, or you may see Martinelli on the left and Aubameyang central. But for my predicted lineup, I would put Martin on the left and let Aubameyang get some rest and play him up front. Now, that would be my predicted lineup. I'm not sure what you guys think. If you guys have anything different to say, please put it in the comments. And thank you again for tuning in. This has been my preview of the FA Cup, Portsmouth versus Arsenal, Arsenal versus Portman. We have to get another win here and move on to the final stages of the FA Cup, because this is something that we need and something that we can also stamp our name that we're still in the game and we're still fighting. So please tune in again. Until the next time, after Arsenal versus Portsmouth in the FA Cup. Thank you very much.